mondo mi waler ewi wachno. Wadhi nyime kama anyisi ni jotich sekta mar thieth ahinya magin jochiw thieth kata nurses Smile Geyo Marakwet matie riwruok mar KNUN obuogo timo ng'anyo ka sirikand kaunti no ok ochulogi osara ma dwe mar 7 manochung kod tend sirikal mar kaunti Smile Geyo Marakwet kaluwore kod wach ni jotijego ne ok tiye yo makare. Osara no ochung kod kaunti no kaluwore kod wach ni jotijego ok ti kaka owinjore ka jagoro maduong' mar riwruok mar jothieth e kaunti no Benson Biwot wacho ni jotijego osetiyo e kaunti no kuom thuolo malach ka sirikand kaunti no ne ok oketogi e seche mane gikwano jotije mag kaunti. Kata kamano jatend migawo mar jotije kaunti no Monica Rotich wacho ni sirikal mar kaunti Smile Geyo Marakwet ne jogo tiyo kaluwore kod chik kendo gisingo ni ibiro chulgi osara margi. Report bende nyiso ni kaunti no Smile Geyo Marakwet manitie kod jotich 112 ma ok tiye yo makare ma bende kore chich ne owinjo bed ni ng'ado oko chudo mag osachgi.
These people were devolved. These are people who are seconded to the county government of Geyo Marakwet by national government. And I wondered why they are now cost workers. So that means those who are doing the staff audit did not do a real staff audit. How come a whole consultant is a cost worker? How come a senior nurse who will retire in 2 months is a cost worker? So the meaning of a cost worker, the meaning of those who are rating these people as cost workers does not meet the standard. And I want to call upon the CC for public service to resign. That is being incompetent. They received the report. It was not shared to the whole heads of department for verification.
Auditors walipokuwa wakifanya hesabu walipewa muda hadi saa 7, lakini wengi wao wale walijipata katika hali hii walikuwa wamechelewa kuja siku hiyo. Kwa hivyo walikuja na wakapeana makaratasi zao kwa sekta ya human resource bila kuhesabiwa. Tulipowahoji, kwa kweli wengi wao wako wamehesabiwa. Kwa hivyo ilikuwa ukweli kwamba hawakuwa katika ile orodha ya staff ama wafanyikazi ambao walikuwa wa kaunti, na hivyo walipojitokeza tukawahoji na tukaelewa kwamba walikuwa wamejitokeza hivyo walichelewa, na tukaambia kwamba tutarejesha mshahara yao baada ya kupitia mambo moja mawili, na hiyo ndio ile uhakikisho tumewapatia kwamba mshahara yao utalipwa. Tumehakikisha kwamba wao ni wafanyikazi wetu na tutawalipa mshahara